Big round of applause for our tourists. Betty. Thank you, Georges. Very good, Jamie. Okay, and now we're back one more time with our friend Pancho. But Pancho, he's gonna show you this time that he can ride on these little roller skates, right? Yes? Yes? Okay, let's go. Follow me. Up to the end. Yes, that's it. Okay, now up to the end. Yes, go, go, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, now stop, stop, turn around. Turn around. Yes, the other way. Let's go. Come on. Pancho, very good. Very good out here, right? Come on, big more here, more up here. And can you a big round of applause for Pancho. Oh, thank you, Pancho. Very good, my friend. Well, here we also have a mathematics teacher. And, well, Charlie, he's a little bit slow, but he's very clever. He's really, really clever. I'm gonna ask you for one number. And Charlie is gonna ring the bell that many times, okay? Right, can you say what number? Any number. How old are you? 13? 13, yes. You're about to 14, right? You told me so. Okay, good. Listen, 13, yeah? Charlie, ring the bell 13 times. 13 times, okay? Count with your fingers. There you are. And do it. There you are, very good. 13 times. It's really clever, I told you. Okay, now, let's try a different number. Let's try, and you see, can you say another number? 5. Very good. Charlie, ring the bell 5 times. Yes? Counting. Ready? 5. Yes, well done. 5 times. Quite easy. Quite easy. But as I told you before, our friend Charlie is really clever. Yeah, he can also add. Now, I'm going to ask you for 2 numbers to see if our friend Charlie can add in his machine. Right? Yes? Okie dokie. You, sweetie, can you say what number? You help her out. Yes, help her. Say number. How much? 20? This is a birdie. You know, you want to break his neck? Oh, sweetie, you know, can you change your mind? 10? Okie dokie. 10 times it is. And over here, yeah, see, you. Let's say any number. Oh my God. You are plotting against him. Yeah, you want to break his neck. I'm sorry, Charlie. Listen. Both of them, yeah? 10 plus 11. How much is that? All together. You better count with the fingers. Yeah. 10 plus 11. How much is that?
21.
Oh God. This is for tonight, you know? Today. Oh, wait. Yes, it's the same.
That was just 11.
Yeah, come on, one more time. Listen. 10 plus 11. Yes? Come on. You can do it. Ready, listen? Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Charlie? See. 10 plus 11. No. No. Charlie, come on, what's wrong? I'm going to send you back to school. You know, come on. You can do it. We've done it before. Remember? Oh, God. How much? Yes, very good. Big round of applause for Charlie. Welcome back. Finally, you're here. There you are. And, well, here in Spain, it's impossible to forget. Yep. Ole! Bullfighting, yeah? Ole! And, well, here we have a bull. And, yes, Pancho, you are the bull, yep? Okay, let's go. Come on, follow me. Up to here, Pancho. Yep, yep. Pancho. Ole. One more time. Once again. Yep, Pancho. Ole. Okay, let's do it again. Pancho, up here. Come on. Yep, yep. Pancho. Ole. Okay, well, now, every time the bull passes underneath the game, say all together with me. Ole. Okay? Come on, let's try it all together. 1, 2, 3. Yes, let's do it, Pancho. Very good. Come on. Here. Yep, yep. Ole. One more, Pancho. Yep. Ole. And now the last one louder. Pancho. Yep, yep. Ole. Very good. But, well, guys, I'm sorry. It's a moment now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sucks to kill the bull. What? Okay, do I kill the bull, yes or no?
No.
Why not? I have to kill the bull in a real bull fight?
No.
I'm sorry. Bye-bye, Pancho. I'm sorry, my friend. Sorry. Sus! Ah, there it is. Son of dead bull. Wait. Are you dead? Are you dead? Are you? No? You're not dead. No, you're not. No, he's not dead. Very good. Big round on my blood for Pancho. Thank you, Pancho. Oh, very good, my friend.